Hello, this is Esther Pepper, your AK Hospice Nurse. I just wanted to show you some lovely views of where we are hiking at today.
Yes.
A little history lesson about our hike today. The Athabascans hunted here many moons ago. Beautiful Ruth Glacier and Mount McKinley, formerly known as Denali. So I wanted to encourage all of you hospice nurses and anybody working in end-of-life care, including caregivers, super important to take time out to revive your soul, because you can't give from an empty cup. So you have to do what it takes to fill you up again, whether that's hiking, walking, biking, spending time with your pets, doing crafts indoors, whatever it takes. You need to put this into your calendar and make events happen for sure. Beautiful day here in Alaska. I thought we were at the top. We're not. A few more steps to go. The elevation's a little bit over 1,000 feet for this hike. Definitely feels like more. The sun is coming out some more, and Mount McKinley is still hiding behind the clouds. Now we're getting an awesome view. It's getting toasty hot out. Getting cooled off, Tycho? Getting some water, baby? We're getting refreshed. So what do we do for bear protection on these hikes? We walk with two lovely canines to forewarn us. We listen to music. We do have bear mace. We decided against the 44 Magnum because that was going to add an extra 4 pounds to us. So we left that in the car. And we've passed at least 20 people on this hike. The majority of them have bells on them as they're walking by. So we're good. Tycho Sugar Pie is so tired. Noggy is rescuing her. Her mean mommy's trying to take her out on another walk after 25,000 steps. We are exhausted.